Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we'll see what is a payroll functionality in Oracle Fusion Accounts Payable mode. Take a business scenario where your supplier is asking to issue a separate check, and by using this payroll functionality, we can pay invoices with separate checks. Now, let's see what are all the settings. Go to procurement, quick actions, click on supplier, search for your supplier, ERPZEN. Click on search, click on edit, click on sites, click on edit, click on payments, payment attributes, payment specifications. Make sure you enable pay each invoice alone flag. Now say save and close, save, submit. Now we'll create an invoice. Click on payables, under quick actions, click on create invoice. Select your supplier, say ERPZEN supplier, pay alone, pay $500. Go on lines, say $500. Select the distribution account code combination 74500 and click on save. Click on invoice actions. Click on manage installments and make sure that flag is enabled. Pay alone. Now, if you are trying to pay invoices along with this invoice, system will throw you an error. Now click on save and close. Pay alone, copy the invoice number. Click on invoice actions. Click on validate. Now we have validated the invoice. Say save and close. Now we'll try to process the payment for this invoice. Click on payables. Click on payments. Click on task list or task mail. Now click on create payment. Select your supplier, ERPZEN supplier. Select your bank account. Select your payment process profile. Now say pay alone. Click on apply. Okay. Now we'll try to add another invoice. Like say for example hold. See, you can't pay this invoice with the other invoices because it's a pay alone invoice or you have already selected a pay alone invoice. Okay, click on OK. That means what system is throwing an exception is we cannot pay invoice other invoices along with this pay alone invoice. Click on save and close. Click on monitor process. Now if you click on PDF, system is selecting only this one invoice and this is how it looks And if you want to customize this layout, you have to connect with the technical team and you have to process their checks here. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.